Hi, welcome to the video. You have clicked on this video because you are interested in understanding how to publish your online store, and I should not be taking up any more of your valuable time. So let's begin. Let's get started. In order to help you understand how to publish your online store, I've logged into a demonstration account, and this is what we'll be using to understand how you are going to publish your online store. Now, before we proceed ahead, it is important for you to understand that the publishing should be done once you have gone through the entire journey, right? So you have gone through the entire journey, you have loaded the products, you have set up the navigation, you have enabled the content pages, you have added the content pages, and you have enabled the shipping payment in case you are a B2C seller. You have uploaded the banner, done the color correction, logo upload, everything. So I've uploaded and done everything. So this is where you're almost ready to reveal your website, your online store to the public, and that's where you are publishing it. You are opening the doors or you're raising the curtain, and that's what you are doing here. So ensure that you have done everything, and that's where you are now revealing the online store, and that's where you are doing the publishing. So just ensure everything is done. Now, to publish your online store, obviously you have to access the seller panel. Now, how do you do that? So for that, you have to click on this option which says online store after obviously logging into your account. So after you have logged into the account, then you have to click on the online store option that you're seeing on the screen, and which will open the control panel. This is the control panel of the online store, and here you will see there is a option which says publish your store, and it is quite a big blue button, almost impossible to miss. So you have to obviously click on it, and it will reveal this overlay. Pop-up will open, and on the pop-up there are certain information fields, and most of them are pre-populated. But what is required is for you to review it. So this is where you can see you have the store name, you have the store URL. So if you have to make any changes to it, you can just click on it. It will redirect you to the page, and this is where you can change the store name. So like that, you have to uh, go through it. Now, the most important ones, I'm going to open the overlay once again. So the most important one are the address, because the address is picked up from what you have added to the profile. So obviously it is an incomplete address. So please update the address, the contact number. And there may be a scenario that while you were creating your profile, that's where you have used your personal email ID, but on the online store you want to use your sales email ID, or there is a help desk email ID that you would want to use. So just ensure the address is updated, the phone number is updated, and the email ID is updated. Now, to change that, obviously you have to click on this icon. Let me do that just to help you understand what will happen. So we have clicked on it, and this is where you can see we are on the email field. This is where you have the mobile number, and if we go to the address, this is where you will be able to update the address. So please ensure that you are updating everything. Once you are done, click on this home shaped icon and then click on the publish store, and then you have the store currency, the store language, the payment method which is enabled, the shipping zone which is enabled. In case you are a B2C seller, you can also enable shipping partners. And once you are done doing all this, that's where you have to click on this button which says publish your store, and your online store will be published. However, it is important that you should have done the GST verification. Otherwise, you will get an error that because you haven't done the GST verification, that's why your store will not be published. So just ensure that. So in case you haven't done, then you have to also do the GST verification. Let me show you that as well. So we are clicking on publish store, and this is where you can see it is asking us to do the GST verification, and obviously it is a demonstration store. So I don't have a GST number, but I will show you how you can do the GST verification. So you have to click on this button where click here is written, or text where click here is written, and it will take you to the profile, and this is where you'll see the GST verification overlay. You have to input your GST number. It will, and then click on get details. It will fetch the details from the government database, and then it will also show you few contact details. You have to select either a phone number or email ID which is associated with this GST, and then get select that and get an OTP on that email or phone number, and then input that OTP, and your GST verification will be done. So in case you haven't done the GST verification, then you'll have to do this step as well. Let's go back to the seller panel. So I hope you have understood. If you have already done the GST verification, then when you will click on publish store, it will get published. If you haven't done the GST verification, you first go through all these steps, click on publish. It will ask you to do the GST verification. Once you are done the GST verification, the publishing will be done. So, or you can come back here and then go through this process once again. So this is how you have to publish your online store. GST verification is mandatory. Without that, you will not be able to publish your online store, and also ensure that the contact details and the address especially, they are properly updated. So this is how you have to publish your online store. I hope you found this tutorial video informative, and if you need any help or support, please do feel free to reach out to us on our help desk. I'm going to add the contact details in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.